YouTube, here I have watched a show. This is an open heart, so you can see the balance wheel moving. Up here, this is a day and night indicator. 24-hour sub dial here, and then another second hand here. This is an automatic watch. The crown is not a screw down, and when you pull it out, the second hand does not stop. The smudges you see here, those aren't scratches. You're going to want to keep a cloth or something, because this thing is like a fingerprint magnet. The band is pretty cheap, you can hear it now. You can always change the band later on. This watch costs less than $20. I'll put the link from Amazon in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.